Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I'm so excited to be here because this market is just so goddamn hot. There is not a single dull moment. Let's just get into the video right away. First, we're going to talk about the crypto market and Shiba and what's happening with Shiba specifically. But I wanted to show Bitcoin from yesterday. And as you guys saw, we had a huge run up. Please don't mind all the lines. I've been heavily trading. But if we see this, we can definitely see that Bitcoin had a huge run up this past month. Hell, not even this past month, these past couple of days, we had a 13% run from 12 days ago. Where we are from yesterday is a bit of a drop. And what actually occurred yesterday, there wasn't any significant bad news, but what we do need to understand is that the market does need to cool down. And if people don't understand that, and they think the bull market is always just up and up and up, you're a freaking idiot, and that's just not how this shit works. But what we do know is a pullback is good. A pullback shows us that the market is ready for more. And in this exact example yesterday, it's actually where I took the short right here. Look at this sexy position I had, you guys. I wish I would have shared the other screen. Look at that shit. Easy leveraged risk. That was super duper simple. Simple stop loss. I think I had it at 2%. Boom. Closed out. So simple. And all because you can clearly see that Bitcoin needed some sort of pullback. And here's the good thing. Right now it's looking like it's stabilizing. But what is that doing for us in SHIB? Well, let's look at SHIB. SHIB right now is at the highest it's been in a long freaking time. Look at that entire consolidation period, as traders call it. That all happened. And that took, I don't even know how many months would you say. Let's get the day chart. Oh, dude, holy shit. It was in that mode or range really for 648 days. Now the giant has awakened, which is beautiful. Because if you think about it awakening, that means that the rest of the meme token market is doing the same thing, and it's going to keep following. That's why you've got great channels like these. We're going to find these 100x's, 1000x's, and we're going to keep researching this shit. But for we are right now with SHIB, we had a huge pullback right here because it did its past resistance, right? This was a past support that turned resistance. That's what these big white lines mean now in my charts. I've been actually using these points as very relevant, valuable points, and it's helped tremendously in trading. So you should definitely think about that. Now, what has sold me on why Shiba is doing this, besides the fact that the bull market's happening, there are great articles out showing that Shiba has a chance of hitting 10 cents, and not just by human statements. This is done by AI. And let me tell you something, I'm starting to trust AI more than humans. I know that's what fucks us over, and that's what causes the whole Terminator effect, but you know what? It is what it is. Shit's working, right? And that's how that comes to be. Here's what we do know, that Bitcoin did have a reversal rally from the 65k, which is what we just saw, and now it's at the 70 or 69k, which was roughly the 13% jump that we've got, right? With a remarkable 220% the last jump and a striking over the past year, the bull run for Shiba is picking up pace, and it is. We can clearly see that from that spot. Like I said, it hit actually 400, and then from where it was to now, it's still 200. You still doubled your money in 39 days. Right? Stock market will never let you do that. Welcome to the crypto meme world, right? And there are a lot of price predictions forecasting a potential surge beyond this mark, which I actually see this as a feasible mark. When people tell me freaking Shiba is gonna hit a cent, I did the math. I'll do a whole video on it. Fucking idiots. Do you know how much market cap we're going to need in order to do that? How much liquidity? And I don't even know if the whole market has that to be able to. So don't think it's going to hit a penny, but do think it's going to make some damn good numbers, and be smart about it. Know that Shiba can make it there. Here's what we know from what ChatGPT had stated. After analyzing the monthly chart of Shiba Inu's prices trends, ChatGPT predicted that the mean point could reach 0.0010427 in 2024, which is feasible. That is a shit ton of zeros to eat, but like that is not a 1 cent price. And this is a feasible market cap for Shiba. We can 100% get to that. I am confident in that, right? Like, no guarantees, but I am confident that it could hit something like that. And according to this, it's in 2024, but it then suggests a price of 10 cents for Shiba and a conceivable milestone for 2025. And then this makes me question AI. Like, if I'm afraid we're going to make it to a cent, how the hell are we going to make it to 10 cents? But according to this thing, it has a chance, and I hope I'm wrong, right? Despite the optimistic predictions of the current bullish trend, it is critical for us to understand that approach the currency market with caution. And you have to, because it's the only market that we're going to get 400% gains in 13 days, 326 in this example. Like, that's insane. Another thing, another great article I found is that people see that Shiba might record double-digit gains this month. So right now we are at one-digit gain. I guess what they mean by that is like 1,000%, right? So if they see, that's my guess, right? And please clear me if I'm wrong. Like, notate it below. I think what they're basically saying is that we could see double digits, so maybe 200%. So what they're assuming that it's gonna break an all-time high again, which would be so sexy if it broke. Yeah, if it did that, we would be at an all-time high again, and that would basically mean the meme token craze frenzy shit is going down. And if you are not sitting here prepared to trade and gem hunt, you're an idiot and you're gonna miss out on a shit ton of money. And then I was also thinking about this. I was looking at the top 10 richest wallets for distribution. I went down to the lowest 100, and I took this and I literally took that times the price of Shiba, and this wallet alone I think had, oh, let's just do it in front of you. I need to know. I think it was 14 million. Yeah, 14,664,621 dollars. You guys see how I have to break it down in threes? I always have to. It's the fastest way to get it. $14 million on this. You guys understand, if that bad boy goes to an all-time high again, that 14 million becomes 18 or 28 million. Because I think it'll be like 2.1 roughly, $30 million. If this bad boy takes what this article says and actually double-digit gains this month, we're looking at all-time highs, and we're looking at wallets doubling their money from 14 to 28 million in no time, which also again shows the magic of Shiba Inu and the magic of the cryptocurrency market. And if you're not in it and you're not trading it, you're an idiot. And if you don't understand it, then subscribe below, because I'm going to try to get you more valuable content. I'm going to do my best to give you guys bot guides. I want you to be ready to hit the market and not be behind, because that's the only way to win in crypto, is to have the right information at the right time. Okay, do me one more favor too. If you found value in this, please click that young share button. Get people who need to learn this information available so they know what to do next. This bull run is just beginning for us. We are at the beginning of, we were talking about it yesterday, 2020. If you guys remember 2020 when the bull market began, that's kind of where we are right now, euphoria-wise. And this month on 420, only in crypto, are we going to have the halving for Bitcoin? What could that mean for the rest of the tokens? It literally could be a life-changing month for millions of people, and hopefully you are part of that race. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Keep watching SHIB and don't sleep on the market. Have a good day.